Now, galvanometer is showing no deflection, it means the bridge is balanced. When the bridge is balanced, we can write here P upon Q is equal to R upon S. So, when we put the value P upon Q is equal to here R upon S, so we can write P upon Q is equal to R by S can be written L R upon 100 minus L into R is equal to R by S. R and R will get cancelled. So, we can write S is equal to here R into 100 minus L divided by L. So, see here we know the L, we can measure from this scale here, and we know the value of R because we have applied this value here, and then also we can get 100 minus L easily. So, by knowing the value of L and R, we can calculate the resistance of this wire. This was the wire of unknown resistance, its resistance can be calculated. If you have calculated its resistance S, then also we can calculate its resistivity. So, how do we calculate its resistivity? Now, see here. For the resistivity, we can write rho is equal to S into A upon Lxy, length of the wire xy here. S is the resistance of this, we can write 100 minus L into R divided by L. A can be written here pi d square by 4, this is the diameter, into here in here Lxy. So, by this expression we can calculate the resistivity of this wire. As already we have calculated in the previous formula, Lxy, take the wire from here, put on the scale, you can measure the length of the wire xy, and pi d is the diameter of this wire xy, and this diameter can be measured with the help of the screw gauge. So, by using this concept or this principle, we can calculate the resistivity of the given wire or the resistance of the given wire, and this also you will be doing this concept or this experiment here in the laboratory, and you will be verifying or you will be calculating the resistance of the given wire.